I have a diagram of a sailboat that I need to get that line saved on the computer. I'm going to use the Logic Trace to do that. Just place it on the mat. Come in here and start the Logic Trace software. This first sail here in light blue is I can trace with a series of arcs. I just take the pen stylus, trace those arcs. There's that one there. Now I'm going to do the little C, light blue C at the bottom. Again, it's just a couple of arcs. Now with this pen stylus, I can trace just about any outline and save it as a file on my computer. Change my color to blue, dark blue for the other one. This would be useful for people in sign shops or laser cutters, anything that needs trace patterns. There's that sail. Now let's go down and do the boat at the bottom. It's going to start with a couple of lines here. With that pen stylus, it's so easy to trace the outlines. With my software, I can do lines, arcs, circles, and curves. Switch to a line here. Now the bottom of the boat is a curve. The curve I just do is a series of points. My software put a Bezier spline curve it through those points. There it is. I got one more here to do. It's again a bunch of curves for this wave here. Just digitize that points. Here I've got a turn point, click turn point, do points going back along the edge. There I have a great, beautiful design. Let's save it as a file on the computer.